Look at this bird. He's been at my truck now for about 20 minutes. You know what I mean? He's just all over the mirror, dash. It's something about my truck he's fascinated with. Okay. Like you're trying to open the door. You go from one side to the other. I got up and opened the blind and I noticed him. I went in the back and washed my face, brushed my teeth and stuff, made up the bed and come back and he's still at my truck. And that's been about 20 minutes. I mean, look at him. Hmm. Yeah, you reckon he a bird thief? Tired of flying, wants to steal the truck. I mean, desperate trying to get in. Yeah. Well, let me go back over on this side here. Shucks. Let me see, can I get in on this side? Maybe something to give. Just funny. We're 3 minutes and 11 seconds into this video. Now imagine, like I said, I done washed my face, brushed my teeth, opened up the blinds. That's when I noticed him trying to get, he just ran across us. I'm like, wow. But I come back. Some just said, well, video him, let's see what he gonna do. And as you can see, it's something about this truck that's very like. What it is, only God knows. But I mean, very adamant. Gonna go back down to the door handle, see? Let me see, can I get in there? I can give in there. I'm back around to the other side. Let me see, I can't go through there. You'd think that this bird would be tired by now. We're just gonna see how long this is gonna last. And by the way it's moving, it looks like it's getting frustrated. You know, maybe it's seeing itself and thinking it's looking at itself as another bird, maybe. Because look how it reacts when it get on the mirror. So I'm thinking maybe it might be the reflection. Look like it want to take off, but like, nah, they want to stay right here. Hmm. It might be gone. Nope. There it is right there in front of the truck. Can't see him. There he is. He's back. I ain't trying to get in the hood. You know, let me see where I can get over. Damn bird picking on my truck. I think it's the reflection that he sees himself. Look at him. I think it failed that time. I'm gonna stop the video and go video it from a different angle.